Okay, just traded in at Marchant Chevrolet, 2005 Ford F-150. This one's got the Lariat package with the 5.4 liter Triton engine. The price is really good on this one. It's $79.95. Just traded in, so you're seeing a spy shot of it before it hits the front of the dealership. Trailer package. It's got a toolbox on the back. Nice set of tires. This one's got black leather interior. 175,000 miles on her. Okay, so if you're looking for something like this, give me a call. My name's Chad. Phone number's right there on the bottom of the screen. We'll talk to you soon.